The moons of the solar system. Moons are the subject of romance in the literary world, but science defines them as natural satellites that orbit planets. Moon is actually the name of Earth's satellite, as you know. Name moon can be traced back to the English word mona, which shares the origins with the word metri, meaning to measure, and mensis, meaning month. Moon was a measure for months in old times. There are 200 plus moons in the solar system. They are classified based on different criteria. For example, pro or retrograde based on how they move, regular or irregular based on the size, and based on the eccentricity of the orbits. Most moons are named after mythological characters from different cultures. The planets Venus and Mercury have no moons, while Earth has one. Mars has 2, Jupiter has 79, Saturn has 82, Uranus has 27, Neptune has 14, and the planet Pluto, which is no longer considered a planet, has 5. Moon is the only natural satellite of Earth. It's 1/4 the diameter of the Earth and 5th largest in the solar system. It has a very thin atmosphere and a lot of craters from impacts. Moon and Earth are tidally locked, so we only see one side of the moon. We did not see the far side of the moon till 1959. Moon controls the wobble of the Earth and helps the life to flourish on Earth. It also has various effects on Earth like the tides, etc. The moon displays various phases called as waxing and waning. It's the direct sunlit portion as seen from the Earth. We have the new moon, the full moon, the dark moon, and the crescent moon. Apollo 11 was the first manned mission on the moon. NASA plans to send a man and the first woman to moon in the near future and establish a base there as part of the manned mission to Mars. Moons of Mars. It has 2 small asteroid-like moons called Phobos and Deimos. Hall discovered them in 1877 and named them after the sons of Greek god Eris. Phobos is only 22 kilometers wide and orbits at 6,000 kilometers from surface of Mars. It has a circular orbit and orbits at 3 times a day. Deimos is smaller and is only 12 kilometers across and orbits every 30 hours. Both were first detected by Mariner spacecraft. Various missions have been sent after that. Moons of Jupiter. Jupiter has 53 named and 26 unnamed moons. 4 of them are special: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Europa has the most promising environment. It is little smaller than the Earth's moon and completes orbit every 3.5 Earth days. Its surface has ice. Io is the innermost and volcanically active of the all. Ganymede is the most massive and largest satellite of the solar system. It orbits in 7 days. It has a thin O2 atmosphere. Callisto is the second largest after Ganymede and takes 17 Earth days to orbit. Moons of Saturn. Saturn has 82 moons. 53 are confirmed and 29 unnamed. Titan is the largest moon. It has clouds and liquid lakes. Some other moons of Saturn are Mimas, Enceladus, Dione, Rhea. 2/3 of outer moons revolve in retrograde fashion. The moons show unexplained characteristics due to interaction with Saturn's rings. Moons of Uranus. Uranus has 5 major moons named after characters from Shakespeare's plays, unlike the mythological characters for others. Miranda is the innermost and has huge canyons. Most are dark moons. Moons of Neptune. Neptune has 14 moons. Nyssa is the furthest and has orbit of 26 years, while Trion is retrograde and is inclined to the equator of Neptune. Voyager spacecraft studied these in detail. Even though Pluto is no more considered a planet, we'll have a look at the moons of Pluto. It has 5 natural satellites. Charon is the largest and is tidally locked. Both are sometimes called as double dwarf planets. Others are barely visible. Scientists were unsure whether asteroids could hold moons, but they were proved wrong when the Galileo spacecraft whizzed past asteroid Ida and discovered the moon Dactyl. The solar system has amazing variety of moons, and we are discovering and studying them in detail one by one. We are sure that in future we might find one which is suitable for the humans to live on. Thank you for watching. If you would like to receive such updates in the field of science, technology and ancient history, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you.